In this video, I want to share with you a simple AI side hustle that you can start from home. And no, you don't need any experience, any knowledge, or any money to get started. Also, this isn't any of those typical side hustles that you may have heard about, like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, SMMA, and so on. Those businesses are extremely oversaturated and competitive. So if you start any of those popular businesses that you see all the time, you're going to simply be moving against the grain. So this AI online business I'm going to show you is still untapped. It's super unsaturated. Not that many people are talking about this or doing. So if you get in now, you're pretty much going to make a lot of money. So what we're going to do is take the power of AI and we're going to combine that with social media. Everyone knows how important it is to post on social media as a business. And this goes for any type of business out there. And if you take a look at any major business, you're going to notice that they're constantly posting on social media on pretty much every single channel out there, because businesses who post consistently on social media are pretty much getting free organic traffic and free organic leads. And this is making businesses a lot of money without having to spend any money on advertising. Now, the only problem, and this is where we come in, small local businesses are not posting on social media. You might have a social media account. If you take a look at their accounts, you have one post from like 5 years ago. And obviously with a social media account like that, they're not going to be getting any traffic or any leads. So this is the first thing that we're going to do. We're going to find small local businesses who aren't posting on social media. We're going to connect their business with an AI social media system. And this AI system will help them create content that they can post. It's also going to allow them to post on all of their social media accounts all at once. And it's going to help these businesses get more organic customers. Therefore, for this system, we can charge $300 to $500 a month. So that's the whole breakdown. That's the blueprint of what we're going to be doing. So I'm first going to show you how to find businesses who need this service. So guys, what we're going to do to find businesses who need this service is simply go to Google. And right here, we're just going to search for any business industry. Now, when doing this, I recommend that you just target one type of industry, because if you only target one industry, you're going to have everything already built out, and you can simply rinse and repeat this process for each of your clients. So for example, let's say that we want to target plumbers. Once we set up this AI social media system for plumbers, we're already going to have a bunch of content for plumbers, and we can just go ahead and recycle through that content and use it for each of our clients, maybe just customizing it a little bit here and there. So let's just go ahead and search this. Now all I'm going to do is come over here to the Google My Business listings, and if we click on more businesses, these businesses right here on the first couple pages of Google, most likely if you click on their listing and you go on their social media pages, there's going to be a good chance that they're already posting on social media and they're already getting a lot of traffic from that. So what we're going to do, instead of targeting the businesses on the first couple pages, we're just going to scroll down here and go to the later pages of Google, and we're going to try to find businesses who are struggling with this. So now that we're on the later pages, we can go ahead and go through some of these. So if we click on this business right here, what we're going to be looking for now is their social media accounts. So if we scroll all the way down here, there's going to be a good chance that we find their Facebook page right here. Now if you don't see the businesses social media accounts right here in the web results, you can always come over here and click on their website, and on their website 9 times out of 10 you're going to be able to find those pages right here, and it looks like they only have a Facebook account. So if we click on their Facebook, we can go ahead and check out what they're posting. So this is their Facebook page, and as you can see here, their latest post was from 2020, and these guys are obviously not posting consistently on this page, and there's going to be no way that they're getting leads through this page. Like, they have this page all set up, they have all their information on it, they even have their website right here, but they're pretty much doing all of this for no reason, because if we're going to be honest, nobody's going to be able to find this page if they're not posting. And if we go back to their website, it looks like they only have a Facebook page, they don't have an Instagram page. That's definitely something that we can help them with, because like I said before, our AI social media system will be able to post on all of their social media accounts all at once and all at the same time. Now if we go back to their listing, our AI system can also help them post content on their Google My Business listing. If we go over here to photos, as you can see here, businesses can actually post content on their Google My Business listing, so we can also help them do this on autopilot, and Google will reward businesses who are posting on their listing, and it's going to reward those businesses with a higher ranking. So if we do this for our clients, we can help them rank on the higher pages of Google, and businesses on the first couple pages of Google are getting a bunch of organic leads. So guys, that's how we're going to be able to find clients to sell this AI social media system to. If we just take a look right here, there are endless businesses that we can reach out to and sell this service to, and this is all just for this one niche. There are infinite niches out there, and you can get really creative on what type of businesses you want to target. So as you can see here, there's a ton of demand, and there's a lot of potential for us to make a lot of money with this. Now, a tip that you can use when selling this to local businesses is by comparing their online presence with the online presence of their top competitors. So if we go back to the first page of Google, these businesses right here are on the very first page for a reason. If we click on this listing and we go to their website, as you can see here, this business has a Facebook, an X account, and a YouTube channel. And if we go back and we go to photos, these guys are also posting content on their Google My Business listing. So we can literally just compare this business with the business that we're trying to sell, and we can just say, if you had an online presence like this business right here, do you think you'd be able to close more clients every single month? month organically, and 9 times out of 10 the business owner is going to say yes, of course. So this is a tip that works extremely well because business owners are constantly comparing themselves with other businesses in their industry. So if they see a business like this out competing them and the business is doing things that they're not doing, they're going to want to improve and start doing those things. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you this AI social media system that's going to help these businesses improve their online presence. So to set all this up, we're going to be using a platform called GoHighLevel. Now GoHighLevel has a ton of marketing and sales features, but in this video we're only going to be focusing on one feature, and this is going to be their AI social planner. Now the best part about GoHighLevel is that we can actually go ahead and white label their entire platform. So as you can see here, this is my logo and this is my domain, and this platform no longer says GoHighLevel anywhere. We pretty much have our own AI social media system software. So to set this up, what we're going to do is just come over here to where it says marketing, and then right here we're going to be using this social planner. Now right away what you're going to want to do is just connect your client's social media accounts to this platform, and if they don't have one of these social media accounts like an Instagram or something like that, I recommend that you just go ahead and create them one, because the more platforms that we're doing this on, the better. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect a Facebook page. So here we go. You're going to see all of your accounts that you've connected. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on get started. So right away you're going to be taken to a content calendar, and this is where you're going to see all the content that you have scheduled out for your client. Now to create a new post, if we just come over here and click on new post, and then we click right here where it says create new post, all we have to do to create a post is come over here, and then right here you're going to see all the social media accounts that you have connected, but right now we only have our Facebook. I'm just going to click right here, and now that that's done, now instead of creating these posts manually using your own brain trying to think of content to write, we can just go ahead and click on this button that says AI, and right here we can just click generate with AI. Now this is a really awesome tool because this is going to create all the content for us. So right here we can just add a content title. I'm just going to type in plumbers, and now we can go ahead and add a description. So this is the description that I came up with, and now over here we can go ahead and add some keywords. So I can do something like this, plumber, I can do plumbing, I can do plumbing services, and so on and so forth. And then right here we can choose the writing tone. So if you want to, we can make this post funny, we can make it casual, excited, professional, witty, sarcastic, feminine, masculine, bold, dramatic, and so on and so forth. So for this example, let's just do excited, and right here you can choose the number of variations that you want. So we're just going to keep it at 3, and then we can choose our content length. Let's just do medium, and now let's go ahead and generate this content. So here we go. AI went ahead and wrote 3 variations that we can choose from, and what you can do is just come through here, see which one that you like the best, and then you can just click on copy, and that's going to copy that over here. Now not only did it write some content, but it also added some emojis, and it also added hashtags. So now if we click on continue, all of that's going to be pasted right here, and just like that, that took us like 2 seconds, and we used 0 brain power to generate this. But now that we have the text for this social media post, we're also going to need an image with this post. So what you can do is just come over here, and you can upload some images that your client already has, but if you don't want to do that, we can also create an image using AI. So again, right here we can just add a description. I can do something like this, a plumber, and you can get as specific as possible. Right here we can choose how many variants that we want. Let's just do 3, and then right here we can choose the style of image that we want, and there's a bunch that we can choose from, but for this example let's just do a photo, and now let's click on generate. So here we go, AI just gave us 3 images that we can choose from. So let's just choose this one, and just like that, we now have a post ready to go, ready for us to schedule out. So that was extremely simple. Just like that, we created a post in no time. Now if we click right here, we can either post this right now, or we can go ahead and schedule this post by clicking this, and on this calendar we can choose when we want to schedule this out. Now if we click on schedule post, that new post that we just created will be scheduled, and now if we go back to our content calendar, we're going to see that post right here, and now we can simply rinse and repeat this process for our client, and this won't take you that much time to go ahead and schedule posts out for every single day of the month. If you want to, you can dedicate 1 day out of the month to create content for your client, and on that day you can just do what I showed you in this video. You can go ahead and create these posts with AI, schedule them out for every single day, and just like that, your client's going to be ready to go. And with this tool, they're going to be able to start growing their online presence. They're also going to start getting a ton of traffic to their business. Now if we come over here and we click on new post again, if you want to create an image using AI, we can come over here to where it says social planner templates, and right here GoHighLevel will have a ton of templates that we can choose from, a whole bunch of different types of niches. If we just search for a niche, as you can see here, we're going to find some plumber templates, and these posts right here are going to be all ready to go. We can just click on continue and schedule these posts out. If you want to, you can even customize these posts a little bit before doing that. So guys, like I said before, since we can white label GoHighLevel and make their platform our own software, we can use a funnel like this to promote our social media software. As you can see here, this software is called PostPilot, and this funnel right here will just walk any lead of ours through our software. It's going to share some information on how our software can benefit their business, and then right here, this is where someone can pay for our software, and you can charge pretty much whatever you want. I recommend that you guys charge $97 to $497 a month. Now, if you're charging extremely low ticket, like $97 a month, if you want to, you can just sell the software as is. So when someone pays for this plan, they get access to your software, and then they themselves can go ahead and do what I showed you in this video. They can create their own posts using AI and so on and so forth. Or if you guys are charging higher ticket, like $297 to $497 a month, then I recommend that you sell this not only as a software, but you also sell this as a service, and you go ahead and do this for your clients. You go ahead and create these posts and schedule them all out for your clients. So you guys can pretty much do whatever you want. I do recommend that you sell this as a software with a service, because not only will you make more money, but doing it this way, your client will stay with you for a longer time, because they're pretty much not going to have to do anything. They don't have any work on their end. You're going to be taking care of everything. And if you are just selling this as a software, there's a good chance that they get confused, they get lazy, and they don't use your software. And if the business owner isn't using your software, they're obviously not going to pay for it. So you guys can do something similar to this. You can build out a simple funnel to promote your software, and you can just send traffic to this funnel, or you can just go to Google and reach out to clients manually. So as you can see here, these are the bones of that funnel, and it's a simple funnel. All we have is a homepage, a page for our basic plan, a page for our growth plan, and then a page for our advanced plan. And then we also have a thank you page. So let's say that someone clicks right here and they want to start a free trial on our starter plan. They're going to be taken to this page right here. And on this page is where they can buy our software. And the same goes for these pages. And then once someone pays for our software, they're going to be taken to this thank you page. And on this thank you page, you can have a video right here showing them how to log into your software and any further instructions that they need to know. And then right here, we just have a button that says log into PostPilot. So if someone clicks on this button, they're going to be taken to our login page. And this is what our login page looks like. As you can see here, it doesn't say Go High Level anywhere. This is my logo and this is my domain. And once someone purchases our software, they're automatically going to be sent their login credentials. And once they click on that button, they're going to be taken to this page where they can go ahead, add their email, password, and then click on sign in. And then once they do that, they're going to get access to our social media planner software. Now, if you guys want to get some ideas or inspiration on how to build out your own AI social planner software, like how to price your software or how to structure your funnel or anything like that, you can just go over here to Google. And if we just search for social planners, as you can see here, we're going to be able to see a ton of social planner companies. So we can just open up this page. As you can see here, this is another social planner that we can use to get some inspiration. So these guys are offering a 30-day free trial, and they're also offering a demo. So right here, we can go ahead and schedule a demo. And if you want to, you can also do this for your business. We can go over here to pricing. We can see how much they're charging for their company. And as you can see here, they're charging a decent amount. So we can structure our software similar to this. And like I said before, we can probably even charge a lot more than this if you're going to be doing software with the service, where you're going to be creating and scheduling posts for your client. Now, if we go back, as you can see here, we can check out these guys, and we can pretty much do the same thing. As you can see here, they have a simple funnel. They have some information showing what they can do, and so on and so forth. So the key to success is not to reinvent the wheel. These guys already have something that's working. So instead of trying to create something brand new or something that's unheard of, we can simply study these successful companies right here, and we can mimic what's working. So guys, that's how you can start your own AI social media planner software. Now, if you guys are new to Go High Level, I will have an exclusive 30-day free trial link down below. And within 30 days, that's going to be plenty of time for you guys to sign your first couple clients. Also, if you do want to jumpstart your Go High Level business, you guys can go ahead and check out our Snapshot Vault down below. Inside of our Snapshot Vault, we're going to have a ton of premium Go High Level snapshots that you guys can choose from. And these snapshots will already have everything built out for your client, like any funnels that they need, any websites, automations, emails, and so on. So be sure to check that out if you're interested. And then finally, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.